I wanted you to paint the parts. We'll cut this part out. Anyways, what is going on? YouTube/Instagram. It is your boy Goose Boy, the PC Builder, and today I would like to proudly present all of the ordered components in front of you, unboxed. We had an unboxing video which will be linked below. But today we are going to be trying to assemble my prototype, most cost-effective PC of 2025, meaning the best parts that money can buy for the price. That's what I looked at. I didn't set a price. I looked at most performance per dollar. And that's what we have in front of us. And let's just see if we can assemble it and make it work. So here I'm going to move my advanced omnidirectional, one moment. My advanced omnidirectional wheel set with axial rotation and what is this? Pentagonal wheelbase, as well as anyways, so this is all the motherboard and CPU stuff, approximately. And then we're gonna move my second. This is an older model of the omnidirectional. It does still have the 5 things. It's basically the same thing. Anyways, but look at all these parts. We're just gonna move them over here, adjacent to my workstation. This will go over here. Wait, I want to have it in the shot, actually. Thinking how to set this up. Sorry, wait, this is tough. I actually want this over here because I'm gonna...
That's what that thing is for.
Yeah, so we're gonna work on the motherboard first because that's the... Okay, a little bit about the computer. The building process, in my knowledge, is first you gotta work on the motherboard. The motherboard is where you plug in all of your components. So first things first, let's get the motherboard and the components out of their wrapping. This is the CPU as well. Let's just take the stuff here. This is for later. This is our CPU cooler. We'll just install this for today because it's very easy. The CPU cooler that I ordered, that was this here was $40. I did not realize that the Intel was even resourceful enough to include a CPU cooler within their $105 price for the best CPU for the price. It's amazing. There's an added link on YouTube. I can't handle this right now. One moment. Okay, so this we're gonna put on the bench. I'll do a solo video later, maybe a time lapse of building this. Okay, case. That's last, guys. We just let's assemble everything out in the open. It's called an exploded PC. I was actually today talking to a local business owner. I said I'm a PC building business. He said, "Oh, I'm building an exploded PC for my son." I said, "Exploded?" And he said, "Exploded PC." We'll put this off to the side. Let's just remember what we have here. He said an exploded PC is one that is assembled outside of the case with no case, just pinned onto some cardboard. We're not going to do any pinning, but we're going to assemble it outside of the case so you guys can all see how a fully assembled PC looks like right in front of your eyes. So, let's just be very careful with our motherboard here. It does have, yeah, okay, so we will be assembling on top of, I need a nice box to assemble. Do you think this is a good background?
Mm-hmm.
It won't interfere with the part? Okay. So let's take our mommy board out. And we have the foam protection on the bottom. And it's on top of a piece of wood. It's on top of a piece of cardboard, which is on top of a piece of wood. So I would say that this is a very well insulated setup, guys. And I think static electricity has no power here. Okay. Static proof packaging. This can come in very useful in case I need to store electronic components. So I'll just put this on the side chair. This box Where's the CPU? Never mind. It's fine. That's fine. Anybody knows where my CPU is?
Huh?
That's the cooler. What the flip? It was a...
I guess we'll cut this part out, that's for sure.
Oh. We'll just speed it up in post. Don't cut. Did you cut?
Mm-hmm.
It's fine, doesn't matter. Okay, so here's our CPU. And our CPU cooler that comes included with it. I did not look at the performance parameters, but I trust them, guys. I trust them with my life. If they said this works with this, I'm gonna say let's go with it. So let's put this on top of here. Put this back here. Intel logo up. Just oh, that's thermal paste. It's sticky. I'm not touching that. I just realized that. Frick. I have to wipe my hand off. All right. We could do a cut. Wait.
Yeah, we'll do a cut here.
Okay. You could pan over to the chaos that's happening in the bathroom if you'd like. If the camera's strong enough. Okay, now... Okay, so let's just point out a few things on the motherboard. Oh, you need to stand here. I'm sorry. I'll move these.
Mm-hmm.
You're good.
Mm-hmm.
I want a vertical shot of the motherboard. So, the motherboard here. This is where the CPU goes. LGA 1700. Those numbers mean something. This is our little CPU that goes in there. This surface, okay, wait, let's open it again. You remember how shiny this was?
Mm-hmm.
Woo! Intel Core i5. Anyways. I'm thinking of a way to... I don't want to touch it with my grimy, greasy fingers, bro. Like, literally...
I don't know what you should do.
Cut.
Totally, yeah. Use a paper towel or something? Or your sock? What do you want? Versace.
Ladies for sale. This is for sale in the comments. It's women's. Okay, I actually want to get a glove from downstairs. Like, I don't want to play with this shit. All right, wait. Where did I put the glove? Oh, it's on the bed. I'm not gonna say what I use this glove for, but here's our CPU. Let's get one more shiny shot. So sick, so beautiful. So this very flat surface is what is going to mate with this thermal paste, which I have, look, smudged with my finger. I'm sure that's not going to be a problem. This is my personal PC. For my future customers, that will absolutely not happen. I now know this. Okay, pre-included thermal paste as well is so amazing for the value Intel. On the right here, guys, remember the name. Remember this name, okay, guys? And they have this thing fully assembled. Fully assembled. You just have to screw it in. You don't have to even do screws. It's so amazing, guys. So here, let's just get it going. So now what we're gonna do is we're going to put on our glove. Also, if you'd like to notice, I put chromos on my computer, on my keyboard that mirrors the screen's colors. So look, the screen's colors are changing at the same time. This is really nice for some B-roll. I made it pretty dim. It can go brighter. I could do videos later on how to install chromos onto your own keyboard. And yeah, I'll probably come up with chroma packages as well. I'm left-handed. Why did I put this on my right hand? Wrong one. Giggity. All of you medical people, let me know my technique. Rate me. Cameraman, what do you think?
Good for a prostate exam, that's for sure.
Alright. Intel, me and you. Wait, actually first, we gotta figure out how to get this. Remove. Look right here. Can it read that? Remove right there. So I think, guys, we have to take this off.
Oh.
I don't want to. I just broke it. I'm kidding. So this is, yeah, this is just, wow. Oh my God. Wow. Look at, whoa. Oh my God. Wow. Engineering is beautiful. I'm sorry, guys. I just got a little emotional. Look how beautiful that is. Zoom in as much as you can. Do a little fractal zoom. Just go as far as you can. Wow. Okay. Anyways, that's the marvel that allows us to have all of this. All right. So let's take this puppy out and plug her in. So let's I want to put it in the wrong way. Giggity. Okay. Marvelous. I'm not sure which way it goes in. That's what she said.
Grooves? And there's grooves there. This would have to fit into there, right? Because the rectangle doesn't fit.
Oh wait. Oh wait. Here we go.
Huh?
I have to put this baby down real quick. Sorry, Boris. Cut that out. Sorry. It appears as if that is all it is. So this clamps it down real tight, so I just want to make sure it's the right side up real quick, guys, so...
Why?
What? Oh, I turned off the brain rot. I'm really sorry.
Why do you need the microphone?
Because I don't want to type right now. Exactly what I was saying. Alright, there's a piece of paper. Worthless piece of paper. Button battery safety notice. Alright, don't eat the batteries, guys. I'm insulted. Okay, this is the drivers.
That was quick. I don't know if I could read that fast.
Gold triangle on one corner of the CPU. Okay, let's just look at it through here. Or gold triangle, one corner of the CPU. This thing? That one right there?
Mm-hmm.
That's a triangle. Wow, we're using your phone as a microscope. That.
You can see it better if we take it out of the case.
You're right, I'm nervous. Okay, gold triangle found. 2. Small etched triangle on the motherboard socket frame, usually lower left corner. Small etched triangle as well. No. This. You see any triangles? It would be probably around the perimeter here. I'm having trouble seeing. I see a little bit more gold here. Here, can you zoom in on this bottom left corner? What is that gold? What is that extra shiny bit? Or am I
I
alone?
don't see anything.
Usually lower left corner. Okay, so we have the bottom left corner here. It's in a triangular shape. Pan over to this corner here. It's not triangular, okay?
What's not triangular?
The pins, the shape of the pins. This one is at a line, this one is at a step. And then this one is at a line, and this one is at a step. Okay, so, and then we look at the board here. We see this sharp corner. Sharp corner right here. And then you look up, slant. Sharp corner, slant. Okay? I think they might have done this intentionally. Okay? So, using this information and the 2 notches, these notches right here. Here, wait, let me just take it into my hand. Alright, so these notches on either left and right side. Make sure the whole thing is in the shot. The left and right notches.
Yeah.
Okay. Left, right notches. And then slanted corners to slanted corners. So it would go like that. And yes. Okay, so that matches. So we would flip it. Yeah. Okay. So we found the right orientation. Alright, guys. Oh, should I move the lighting a little bit closer? No, I can't. Alright, guys. So let's be very careful. I missed. Frick. What the fuck? Oh, it's this way. That's why, guys. It's really idiot-proof. Come on. Come on. Okay, so now. Yeah, it's idiot proof. I was so worried, guys. I'm gonna crush the CPU and break it. Oh my god, we might get raided by mom right now.
I'll pan over to her, it's fine.
Okay, I really am not confident in the amount of force that I'm... Yeah, okay. There we go. And that's the CPU installation. It's that simple, guys. Like, really, that was really just so easy peasy, guys. It's literally a Okay, are you filming? Are we ready? Oh, you're in the camera. I'll cut this, but... So, here, this appears to be a square. Ow! Fuck, I punched the motherboard. Anyways, here, look, zoom in where my finger's pointing. The holes here, they also appear to be square. Okay? This is a circle. I think I just put it right on there, and it works perfectly fine. You might be wondering, oh, it doesn't perfectly cover the entire CPU. It doesn't matter. Intel knows what they're doing, bruh. And the paste is already on there. And then when you... I have to elevate this somehow. No? I have to... Because the screws won't go through otherwise. Oh wait, I think it just... Okay, I understand what's happening here. Okay, so these are... You don't even need a damn screwdriver. Look, okay, so this is like what your kind of like a seatbelt. No, not a seatbelt. You know those things on backpacks, those snappy plastic thingies? This will snap it. This is the circular version of that, and it just snaps directly into the hole on the motherboard. You don't even need a screwdriver. Okay, now we just all we need to think about is how we orient the fan. Where's the power? Bro, who cares? Let's just do it. It's gonna be so easy. Okay, let's I need to prop it up with something. I knew this would come in handy. I'm gonna be very careful not to put weight on this. I just want we do not want to put any stress on the motherboard. I don't know what physical tolerances a motherboard can have.
Cutting.
Okay, so we got that in there. And then it looks like all you need to do is push it. So I think I'm going to lift this whole thing up sideways. Oh, the lighting is fucked. Okay, and then... Okay, there we go, we got one. And then we'll do the opposite one, and then it should be secured. Please. Please, for the love of God, bro. I'm putting my grimy fingers all over this shit. Is it through? I'm sorry, bro. Oh my fucking... This is much more intelligent. We're learning here. Okay, I want an inert. Fuck. What the fuck, man? Okay, one is in. I'm gonna break my motherboard. So what I'm doing is I'm pressing on the wires on the motherboard because I'm a monkey. Okay, it's fine. Okay, dude, I need to relax. I need to chill. Okay, just like, let's just... Okay. Why is this giving me so much trouble? Come on, man. Did the Intel shit come with anything else, man? You just have to screw it a little bit, guys. That's all it was. Okay, wait. This one's still tweaking. Okay, that one looks like... Okay. Solid. Easy as pie. Again, guys, this is my first time assembling these components together in my life in front of your eyes. But it's so easy. It's so amazing. I love the technological evolution. I'm going to put this down before I break it. I'm so excited. Oh my fucking God. Okay. Cut. Okay, let's just say it's done, and then we'll just...
Wow.
Nobody's
How'd you do
gonna,
that?
Nobody's gonna notice. How are they gonna know? Nobody's gonna know. Alright, so there... There's that. Alright, let's start off with... Where'd my part go? Fricker. That's a bad word.
You're gonna get demonetized, man.
What is this? It's a little letter with the stickiest glue of all time. Punch me. Ow! Okay, so here we go. I'm not reading. This is Samsung solid state drive down here. I don't care. I'm gonna touch it. What was that? It was a graphics card. That's pretty bad. That's okay though. I think it'll be fine. My baby. It's okay. My baby will be okay. I'm sure she'll be fine. I'm literally sure.
I'm sorry.
Well, we'll see. We'll see. If anything, I'll return it on Amazon. I'll say the Amazon guy threw it at my doorstep. Okay, so I assume we gotta peel the sticker off. Okay, so that's the important stuff. So now where do we think this goes, guys? What else did this thing come with? Does it just snap into the board vertically, horizontally? XD? Question mark. Zoom around the board for me. Let's take a look. All right, it's like a Dora the Explorer game. M2 Wi-Fi, HyperX, Ultra M2. Everything is actually labeled on the PC motherboard if you read closely. Fan, CPU, ports. These are for the RAM sticks right here. This is probably the memory stick then, I'd imagine. That doesn't make no sense.
It goes on like this.
Where?
No, like it goes... No, because those are the teeth, right?
Yeah, that's what it looks like to me.
So wouldn't it go in one of these?
Okay, I have a graphics card under my ass right now, so I'm just going to... Can you put this on the bed safely? Just put it to bed, okay? Just... Oh my god, he's had a long day. He needs a break. I'm sorry, I'm not getting angry. I'm just...
I really hope it stopped broken.
Me too,
then I
but...
have to pay you.
No, in reality, it's fine. I really believe in technology. Oh, that's fine.
You were just doing it with the graphics card up your ass.
Guys, I always said that puzzles are my biggest weakness. So I feel pretty weak right now. Let's just get to it though. Also make sure, guys, not to eat the motherboard batteries that are installed right here, guys. Okay? Here, wait, look at this.
Whoa. Wow, it's gay.
Behind the motherboard tray. I mean behind the motherboard tray.
I want to go back there.
Yeah, that doesn't make no sense. Behind the motherboard tray, what does she mean? Trayway. Trayway, by the way. Ultra M2 M. Okay, I feel like this has to be it right here. Yeah. My name is Skylar White. Yeah, sorry, let me get my hand out of the show. My name is Skylar White. Yo.
You sure it doesn't go, it's not upside down?
What do you think? No, it wouldn't go in because look at the notch right here. Zoom in, very close. The notch right there prevents any wrong insertion. And this appears to be a thing to make it stand up there. Giggity. What is this? I think this is for the... Just making sure I'm not missing anything. This is for later. We don't need it. It's kind of decorative. Wires. I don't need them. Okay, I believe that this is the correct orientation. This is sitting nicely here. Look, if you take a look. Also, wait, zoom in very close, like on the Ultra M2 and here on all these chips here. It looks like it's parallel, right? The gold part and the black part.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Okay, and then zoom down, goes down here. Oh. Okay, so I feel like I need to put like something in there. Okay, yeah. There we go. Exactly that, and you need a little screw to put in there. There we go. That'll be our substitute for now. For our screw. That just makes sure that it doesn't wiggle around. Wiggle, 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 yeah. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Okay, ChatGPT off, brain rot on. Okay. This is blinding me a little bit. I can also scoot this all forward so it's more in the light. Okay. Next component, guys. I'm excited. And believe it or not, this is the last of the motherboard components. Right in front of you guys. This is the RAM. I'm going to put the... I forgot to mention, I will be putting all the prices of the parts in the description. And then we already looked very thoroughly at the board here. Look at all these screwdrivers I brought out. Well, the screwdrivers are going to be for when we attach the stuff to the case in tomorrow's video. It is getting late. And my cameraman needs to get up early tomorrow. So, the math ain't mathing on that one. Okay. Fucking cunt. Oh my god. Okay, I'm so sorry. Shit. Oh my god. Fuck. That's why I need this screw. Don't look in here. Paper cut instantly. Fuck my dirt life. Oh, I know. I had this thing saved for this exact moment. Quick solution just so we can get everything in place. Oh, fuck. That does not sound good. You know what? It's good enough for now. Okay, we're just not going to move it around. Yeah, that's better than nothing. See, that's very sound construction. Okay, next, this is a tool here. Okay, the RAM. This is the package it came in. That's what it looks like. This is the RAM. Let's take it out. I never took it out in the unboxing video, which is kind of the whole point. I'm kind of trolling on that one. Vengeance, we got some stickers. We got some stickers. Shit. Yeah, I'll do it right hand. No, my fingernail looks so bad. It's I've been stressed. Okay, let's just put that one. Careful. Yeah, good. Let's put that one right there. Let's do the second strip real quick. At this point, I don't care, guys. I'm sorry. I'll get a manicure. I should realize that it is a business. That'll go in the business line items. Okay. Okay, so we're looking for the notches. Off-center notches, that's what the computer engineers seem to love. Yeah, so these are little just clamps. This part is solid. These are little clamps. So we open the clamps up, and it's as easy as bomb, bomb, and that's in. And next one. Oh my god. Ah. I didn't push them in far enough. There we go. Maybe because the freaking thing is the wrong way. I'm so dumb. The Corsair were upside down. It's okay, guys. Engineers just get a little bit emotional when they're really excited about putting parts together. Technicians love engineers. But guys, look, in front of you we have our fully assembled motherboard, our beautiful Intel 1240, our 64 gigabytes of RAM, our 1 terabyte SSD, all installed in front of your eyes. Okay? And then one last thing, guys. None of these things... Oh my goodness. None of these things do anything without a power supply, which I would have dropped, which I think would have been fine. Look at how solid the case is real quick. It's a big old battery. Where's the weight? I'd approximate 5 pounds. Anyways. So now it's a matter of... Oh, we forgot one little thing. Just a little thing. That's a working computer right there, but... Here we have my poor baby that Boris abused. Oh, god damn. Looks like this thing, this corner took all the floors. Holy.
We're lucky.
So, wow. I mean, Slava Bogu.
Wait, that might be a pro.
No, this is just like case fitting wise. It'll work for my... It should... I think this thing absorbed all the shock. I think it fell on like something like this, which caused that bend. So I'm confident that we're all right. So we're gonna take this thing's little diaper off, the condom, if you will, and then we're gonna, I'm not gonna say put it in, but we're putting it in. This one does not seem to have a, what's it? Is that right? That looks right. Oh yeah, it has to just go over. So I have to put it up the other way. Autism. So we're looking again. They love the off-center notches. There and there. That's not correct whatsoever. What? Do we have a compatibility issue in front of us?
It looks like it goes in.
Oh, yeah, okay. I was so tweaking. Don't worry about that. It still works. God bless America. Wymieniać całej syny Świętego Ducha. Okay. I'm gonna cry. You bent my shit so it doesn't... Wait, okay, we just bent it back. It's really no worries. My hand is all over the back of the seat. And right before you, I bent steel. I didn't bend it. I'm gonna need a tool. Remember what I used to bend the cardboard box? Same technique right here. Using the table. See? Good as new. Plus minus a couple millimeters. Now before, I was so rudely interrupted. That's gonna be a clip, bro. Fuck, I'm gonna get clipped on failed channels. Okay. I'm making this so difficult for myself. I just need to put this down real quick. That would not have accomplished anything. Make it so that this is hanging off this. I just fell down. Allergies are acting up right now. Perfect timing. Thank you guys. Allergies. I love allergies. Everybody who has allergies out here and gets problems from having pollen, I feel your pain. Feels so good. Don't you guys love it? Being punished for going outside. Here, you can get a front shot, if you will. Don't get my back shots. Get I have really shaky hands, guys. Okay. Wait. Oh, it's just nudging. Oh! And that snapped right in there. Okay. Completely stress-free PC building so far. There's our graphics card. There's everything we need. Okay, all the documentation that we need. Now let's just get our final piece in. Okay. This is our power supply, 750 watts. I mean, so what needs power in the PC? What did we talk about? Graphics card needs the power. This has 8 pins. This plug. Here. Okay. This port has 8 plugs. This has 8 pins. Obviously goes here. Let's see. And they have angled cut corners, so we know how to put it in. And I was doing it the wrong way. So is that correct? Says CPU on it, guys. Okay. So I think I was doing it wrong, maybe. I'm not sure. That's not the CPU. Probably. There we go. You're such a good student. Okay, so this one does something. Yeah, it's just the one with hella pins. Goes with the one with hella connectors. Is that correct? I don't want to put this board under any more freaking stress, man. I already gave it so much trouble. Is this in? I really can't tell. I believe so. I can't bend over this far in game. Oh, actually. Я думаю, все. Окей, следующее. Это что такое? Это не надо. Okay, so that's about it. Now we just need to plug it into the wall and test it if it boots up. Really excited to do that. So guys, this will be a real stress test of how resilient PC parts are. I didn't know I was going to be doing a drop test of a motherboard with a CPU installed on it. Crazy stuff happening here, guys, in front of you. Really excited. There's also obviously there's obviously the case. Whatever, man. So the case comes with no fans. I didn't think about that. I'm gonna need to order fans. Those can come in tomorrow. I could go to the store. I'm gonna get some fans for this thing. I can get some real big fans. I did not realize this case does not come with fans. That's why it is so cheap. But that right there, this is our exploded PC. Right in front of you, the most high value PC of 2025. This is $700 of components right here. Approximately $680. And so yeah, I'm gonna try to boot this up. My cameraman's gonna head on home. I'll make some shorter video of me trying to boot it up. Came to the party just to shoot it up. I didn't make that up, but I am making this up. I am Goose Boy. I am the PC man. PC man. Builder of the value. Product. Champion of his room. He's a master of nothing and champion
for nobody.
Wait, and I am friendship. I am a master of friendship for everyone. Anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching the assembly video of my PC. We're gonna put everything in the case later, but we need to make sure this works before we put it in the case. Well, we could do it now, but it's quite late. So, guys, I really appreciate you guys joining me on this journey. Thank you for watching. I hope you guys learned a thing or two about computers watching this content. Please drop a like, follow, subscribe, share, comment. Let me know what you think. Any adjustments that need to be made. I'm still very new to content creation. Please, also, I'm making a fledgling business. I'm not sure what the name is going to be yet, but I can sell you this PC for a low price. Price is still up for discussion. And I will be putting together a line of PCs. I'll put together a budget, my high value PC, which is this, and then I'll put together a higher end option, and I can also do custom builds if desired. So guys, hit me up at Gooseboy on YouTube or Instagram. And please join me on this journey. Thank you so much for watching. Have a beautiful day, guys. Peace. Dang, we had it off the whole time? Alright, bro, we have to redo the whole video. Alright.
Alright, I'll start again.
Yeah, go get some. Sorry, guys. Bonus clip. I forgot one more thing. Wi-Fi adapter. This is probably actually the hardest part. It's probably harder than the CPU installation. Like...
Stuff. Careful.
Whoa! So now the thing can get connect to the internet. And then we have a couple of these discs here which contain, I don't know, some kind of naughty movie. I'll check it out, guys. I'll let you know what I think, if it's worth watching. And then... yeah, that is our completed PC with internet connection. If it boots. Which we'll find out in the next video. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Goodbye.
Boy.